Your iBeam motion sensor kit includes a 3508 pager and soft cover and the 2721 iBeam. Insert the included batteries into both the pager and iBeam and extend the iBeam's antenna. Turn the pager switch on the side to the on position. Use the volume button on the front to toggle between the following options: low tone with vibration alert, silent with vibration alert, or high tone with vibration alert. To pair, press the program button on the front of the pager and the status light will remain on. Now turn the iBeam switch to the send position, the pager will alarm. To turn the alarm off, press the cancel button on the pager. When pairing, turning on, or after detecting movement, the iBeam will be disabled for approximately 15 seconds. During this time, the status light on the front of the unit will be flashing. Wait for the status light to stop flashing before testing the unit. Position the iBeam and test to ensure it alerts at the required movement. Cura One, helping to care. Contact us for further support or to find the nearest Cura One provider in your area.